Pretty cool.
So that, wait, Daddy.
What?
I always thought it was like FS. Like
What?
they leave the trailer here for the thing. Or you just
Well, normally he would probably have a guy, but
No.
he said he's not doing very good this year, so.
no, like a trailer for the header.
Oh,
I think they normally have it sitting.
I think it probably just has wheels on it that go down. He pulls it.
It's a plane.
I don't know. I could tell you though, because I have a video of it going down the road.